Good morning, children. Welcome to Class 4 English Lesson 8 Chips. Don't you all like chips? Everyone, right? I'll just give you a small introduction of this story. This is a story of a small family who lived in a faraway country. Their country was of war and they had very little food to eat. It's then where they discovered how to make chips from the potatoes given by the foreign soldiers. So, here a small family, the story of a small family who lived in a faraway country and how they discovered to do chips from the potatoes given to them by the foreign soldiers. This is the story about a chips. I will now read the lesson and then explain it to you in detail. Once upon a time, in a big far country was at war, and there was very little food for the people. So the poor family always went hungry. You can see a picture in the family, a small family means a father, a mother, and two children lived in a family. Because of the war in the country, there were very less food for the people to eat, and the family always went in hungry. One day, early in the morning, two foreign soldiers, a part of the army, had occupied their country, knocked on their door. They pushed a sack into mother's hand and asked her to make them chips for their lunch. Now, what happened? Early morning, somebody knocked on the door of their house and they gave a sack of potatoes and asked his mother to make the chips for the lunch. What do you think a part of army had occupied their country means? When two countries are at war, the country that wins sends an army to control and rule the other country. So the people of that army they came and they occupied the country and they gave the potatoes to the mother and then asked to prepare chips. Chips, long pieces of deep fried potato is called chips. We will be back at 12 noon, said the dark haired soldier. Have the chips ready by then. And with that, the soldiers turned around and headed off towards the neighboring farm. Now, what happened as they gave the sack of potatoes to mother, they also told that to prepare the chips and they reminded that we will be back at 12 noon. We will come here right in the afternoon, sharp at 12 o'clock, said the dark haired soldier. The soldier who had dark hair, he told that, and he also asked his mother to prepare the chips and get ready by 12 o'clock as they come. And with that, the soldiers turned around and headed off towards the neighboring farm. As they told that they will come back at 12 o'clock, what they did, they went back to their farm. By this time, the entire family came scurrying down the stairs to see what was happening. What are chips? Mother asked them, but no one had ever heard of such a thing. Now what happened? All the things was handed over to the mother. Till then, everyone in the family they came down running. Scurrying means moving quickly with short and quick steps because of the fear. They all came because of the fear. They came down running and they asked what is happening. Till then, mother is asking, what are chips? She is asking them. But none of them have heard about the word chips. They all started to worry and think, what are these chips and how to make the chips? How are we going to make chips? Cried mother. We don't even know what they are. Shouldn't we open the sack first? The children pointed out. Now mother is totally worried. She don't know how to make chips and now she is thinking that how to make chips. We don't even know what are they, how to prepare the chips. We don't know anything. Till then, one child pointed out and told that we will open the sack first and see what is there inside the sack, and then let us think how to make the chips. Mother hurriedly opened up the sack to reveal big, muddy, white, fleshy new potatoes. The family gasped in amazement. Now, what do you think reveal means? Show. Now, suddenly, as the child told that, open the sack, mother hurriedly opened the sack and showed what was inside that. There were big, muddy, white, fleshy, new potatoes inside the sack. All the family members gasped. Gasped means watched in surprise. They had not seen so many potatoes since the beginning of the war. They were all so surprised that they never had seen such potatoes, and also in so large quantity. They have never seen the potatoes before the beginning of the war. Also, they had not at all seen so many potatoes. They were all surprised. Now Grandma spoke up. Don't be silly, she said. We know how to cook potatoes, peel and boil them for the soldiers. Now the grandmother started to talk to the people who were thinking and worrying about how to make the chips. Now grandma asked them not to be silly, and she told that we know how to cook the potatoes. We don't know how to make chips, but we know how to cook potatoes. We will peel and boil them for the soldiers. She said that peeling means removing the skin, and then she wanted to boil the potatoes for the soldiers to give. Then we will make a soup from the peelings for ourselves. Come on, children, let's begin. Now, grandmother is telling that they are going to peel the potatoes and then they are going to boil the potatoes. And using the peel of the potatoes, they are going to make a soup. Mother is asking the children to come and join to help her to make the soup. What do you think is a soup, children? Soup is a liquid dish of meat, fish, or vegetables. So these grandmother and children, they are going to prepare a soup of the vegetable. So potato, from the peels of the potato, they are going to prepare a soup for themselves. She gave each child a handful of potatoes to wash and peel. When it was done, she built a fire in the grate and hung a big cooking pot over the flames. Now, what did Granny do? Grandma asked the children to come to make the soup, and she gave each child a handful of potatoes to wash and then peel the potatoes. And when the children finished peeling and washing and peeling the potatoes, grandmother built a fire in the grate. Grate means in the fireplace, and she kept a big pot on the fire. Then she poured in fresh water and chopped potatoes. The whole family sat around the open fire watching the water bubble and boil. Now, what happened? As she lit the fire, she kept a vessel on it and she poured fresh water and chopped potatoes into it. Then the whole family sat around the open fire, and what were they doing? They were all looking into the water bubble and how the water is boiling. This is the end of part 1. Rest of the lesson will be explained in part 2. Thank you.